Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, January the 20th at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, now first up, don't forget that the deals are in the details. So please watch the videos all the way through. It helps me, it helps you, and it helps me help you. So watch the video all the way through, and that way you can get in on all these crazy deals. Now also, if you are new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it is very important when you're in the store to scan each and every item with your Dollar General app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check, because prices can vary from store to store. Now also, if you guys are looking for substitutions, or if you are looking for other deals to include in with your 5 off $25 scenarios, make sure that you guys go back and check out the videos that I've posted this week, because we have a ton of really awesome deals. Coupon matchups, glitches, we have DG store coupons, instant savings, you name it. Plus, we also have new clearance markdowns, penny lists, all kinds of goodies. So if you've missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check it out. Everything's going to be linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. All right, guys, now let's go ahead and jump into the deals. This week, Dollar General did give us a 7 off 30 Gain DG store coupon. So let's go ahead and start off with some Gain scenarios. For this first one, you want to pick up one of the Gain Flings at $15.95, one of the Gain Liquid Laundry Detergents at $5.50, one of the Gain Scented Mr. Clean Multi-Purpose Cleaners at $4, 2 of the Gain Scented Febreze products at $3.25 each, and one of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1. And that's going to put your subtotal at $32.95. Now, if you can't find the Crest Pro Health toothpaste, don't worry about it. Just leave it off. I just put it there on the end to take advantage of the overage. But if you're not at an old register store, or if you can't find the product, just leave it off. You're still meeting your $30 threshold. And here's the list of coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And after all of them have been applied, that is going to leave you paying $18.15 for 6 items, making each one just $1.35 each, which I think is a fantastic deal considering we are getting the large Gain Flings. And I do want to give a huge shout out and thank you to Miss Deborah Williams-Buss for sending in this deal. Now, for our second Gain deal, you want to pick up 2 of the Gain Scented Swiffer refills priced at $5.50 each, one of the Gain Liquid Laundry Detergents at $5.50, one of the Gain Fireworks at $4.50, one of the Gain Scented Mr. Clean Multi-Purpose Cleaners at $4, and 2 of the Gain Scented Febreze products priced at $3.25. Keep in mind, you can mix and match. You can choose from the air effects, the wax melts, or the small spaces, and that's going to put your subtotal at $31.50. And here's your list of coupons that you're going to need for this scenario, and after everything has been applied, that's going to leave you paying $18.15 for 7 items, making each one just $1.16 each. All right, moving on into our paper products. You want to pick up 2 of the Scott 12-count bath tissue at $5 each, 1 of the Scott 6-count paper towels at $5, 3 of the Suave shampoos and conditioners priced at $2 each, 1 of the Febreze car clips at $3.35, and 1 of the Airwick advanced warmers at $4. That's going to put your subtotal at $28.35. The $3 in instant savings will come off first, and that's going to bring your new subtotal down to $25.35. And here's your list of coupons that you're going to need for this scenario, and after all have been applied, that's going to leave you paying $9.10 for 8 items. But this still does get better, because then we're going to submit our receipts to ShopBam. We're going to get $1 back on that second Scott bath tissue. We're also going to receive $1 back on the second Suave product, and then we're going to submit our receipt to Inbox Dollars or Swagbucks, not both, one or the other, and then we're going to receive another $1 back on our third Suave product. And that's going to make our final price $6.18 for all 8 items, making each one just 76 cents each. All right, moving on into our next deal. For this one, you want to pick up 5 of the Starry 2 liters. They're on sale this week, 5 for $5. Then you want to pick up 1 of the Frito-Lay 10-count chips at $6.95, 1 of the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser 3-count at $3.50, 1 of the Clorox toilet bowl cleaners at $2.75, 1 Airwick advanced warmer at $4, and 1 of the Always Discreet liners 26-count at $3.25. That's going to put your subtotal at $25.45. Here's your list of coupons that you're going to need for this scenario, and after coupons, that is going to leave you paying $6.45 for 10 items. But this deal does get better, because then you're going to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. Right now on Fetch Rewards, we have a bonus for when you spend $5 on Starry products. You are going to receive back 2,000 points which is the equivalent of $2. So that's going to make our final price $4.45 for 10 items, making each one just 44 cents each. All right, for this next deal, you want to pick up one of the Airwick warmers priced at $2.50, one of the Airwick Advanced warmers priced at $4, 3 of the Old Spice travel size deodorants priced at $1.10 each, one of the Colgate charcoal toothbrushes at $3.35, one of the Colgate toothpaste priced at $3.25, one of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste priced at $1, one of the Oral-B floss picks at $3.35, and one of the Mr. Clean 3-count magic erasers at $3.50, and 3 of the Suave shampoos or conditioners priced at $2 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $30.25. And here's the very long list of coupons that you're going to need for this scenario, but after everything has been applied, that is going to leave you paying $1.50 out of pocket for 13 items. But this deal gets even better because then we're going to submit our receipt to ShopMe and we are going to receive $1 back on our second Suave product, and then we're going to submit our receipt to Inbox Dollars or Swagbucks, not both, one or the other, and we're going to receive another $1 back on our third Suave product. And that is going to make our final price completely free plus a 50-cent moneymaker. And also, don't forget to make all your deals a little bit sweeter and scan every single receipt into the Fetch Rewards Rebate app, because you're going to earn points on every single receipt, and then you can turn those points into gift cards. And the same kind of thing goes for P&G Good Everyday Rewards. So this is also a rewards program. It is a website, so make sure that you head on over there, sign up, submit your receipts, especially if you're doing any of those Gain deals. All of those Gain products will earn you points, and then you can turn those points into gift cards. Now, if you're not signed up for any of the couponing or rebate apps that I've mentioned in this video, make sure that you go and check them out. I have everything linked and listed for you in the description box and the pinned comment. I've got referral links, referral codes, how-to videos, you name it, you should be able to find it right down below this video. Now, over the last couple of days, we did receive some new coupon matchups, and we have some sales and cashback offers that can stack and go with the coupons. So I went ahead and threw these deals together. They are some pretty good deals, especially if you want to throw them in with your 5 off $25 scenarios. So I went ahead and put all these together, and I just wanted to stick them here at the end of the video. That way you guys are aware there's some really good deals out there. 2 for $3 on the Betty Crocker muffin mixes. Yes, please. We have a really good deal on the Pillsbury products as well. They're on sale. Plus, we have a coupon and we have a cashback offer. Now, also, I just want to give you guys a quick little heads up because I am posting this video a lot later in the day than I normally do. So that may affect how notifications go out for the videos that I'm posting this weekend. And I have a huge video coming out for you guys first thing tomorrow morning. I already have the majority of it done. We just got to get it uploaded and on to the YouTube site. So y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned for that one. Turn on your notifications, make sure that they are set to all, because this is a video that you are not going to want to miss out on. So that is going to be it for me for now, but you guys know the drill. Stick around, stay tuned, and before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.